I am.
You are.
He is, she is, it is. I am a student.
You are my friend.
He is my brother. You are happy.
We are friends.
They they are teachers. I do my homework.
You do a great job.
It does not work. I have a book.
You have a pen.
He has a car. You have many friends.
We have a house.
They have pets. I was happy.
You were late.
He was at school. You were my best friend.
We were students.
They were, they were busy. I had a dog.
You had a party.
He had a bike. I will be a teacher.
You will be strong.
She will be a doctor. I am not tired.
You are not wrong.
He is not here. She is not my sister.
It is not cold.
We are not ready. Am I late?
Are you okay?
Is he your brother? Is it broken?
Are we invited?
Are they at home? Do I need this?
Do you work here?
Does he live in New York? Does it work now?
Do we have to go?
Do they play soccer? I do not have a car.
You do not have a ticket.
He does not have money. She does not have time.
We do not have a plan.
They do not have books. Do I have to come?
Do you have a pen?
Does he have a bike? Does she have a job?
Do we have homework?
Do they have children? I was not at home.
You were not sick.
He was not tired. It was not open.
We were not ready.
They were not here. Was I right?
Were you there?
Was he your teacher? Was it hard?
Were we on time?
Were they friends? I did not go.
You did not help.
He did not call. She did not answer.
We did not know.
They did not try. Did I say that?
Did you see it?
Did he win? Did she sing?
Did we pass?
Did they agree? I did not have time.
You did not have food.
He did not have a phone. She did not have work.
We did not have a chance.
They did not have fun. Did I have class?
Did you have a good time?
Did he have money? Did she have a bag?
Did we have dinner?
Did they have a problem? I will not be late.
You will not be tired.
He will not be sad. It will not be easy.
We will not be ready.
They will not be there. Will I be okay?
Will you be free?
Will he be happy? Will it be sunny?
Will we be late?
Will they be ready? I will not do it again.
You will not do this alone.
He will not do his homework. She will not do the job.
We will not do that.
They will not do the work. I will not have time tomorrow.
You will not have any problems.
He will not have enough money. She will not have her phone.
We will not have a meeting.
They will not have a holiday. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!